Crispy, sizzling, savory, and undeniably Filipino. Today, sisig is one of the Philippines' most beloved dishes. But what if I told you it started as a way to avoid food waste, and that the sisig we know today is completely different from the original version? This is the surprising story of how a humble dish from the Philippines became a global sensation. The word sisig comes from an old Kapampangan term meaning to snack on something sour. Long before the sizzling pork dish existed, sisig referred to a salad made with green papaya, guava, or unripe fruits mixed with vinegar and salt. Historical records dating back to the 18th century describe sisig as a sour appetizer, not a meat dish. The sisig we know today was born in Angeles City, Pampanga. During the American military presence at Clark Air Base, local residents found a creative way to use discarded pig parts, especially the face, ears, and cheeks. What others considered waste became an opportunity. These ingredients were grilled, chopped, mixed with onions, chilies, and calamansi, creating a dish full of bold flavors and irresistible texture. In the 1970s, one woman transformed sisig into the iconic dish we know today. Lucia Cunanan, affectionately known as Arling Lusing, introduced sisig served on a sizzling hot plate. The result? Crispy edges, smoky flavors, and a dining experience people couldn't forget. Many now call her the sisig queen. Today, sisig can be found far beyond the Philippines. From Los Angeles to London, chefs are reinventing the dish with seafood, tofu, mushrooms, and even plant-based alternatives. Yet no matter how it's served, sisig remains a symbol of Filipino creativity and resilience. Sisig is more than a sizzling plate of pork. It's a story of resourcefulness, a reminder that great food can come from unexpected places, and proof that Filipino cuisine deserves a place on the global stage. So the next time you hear that familiar sizzle, remember, you're not just eating a dish, you're tasting history.